Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 21,463 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and both rear tires at 630 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the steering damper is bent and that the ignition switch contacts with the fairing, indicating that the mounts may be bent. We posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the fuel tank, scrapes on the left of the rear fender, and clear coat cracks on the front fairing. This trike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with aftermarket grips and a luggage rack. This trike has a clear title, and we've purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.